The Secure Act. What? Another IRS tax code change to our retirement accounts? Oh, heavens no. Hey there, folks. Elder Law Care Attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from our Elder Law Care Center. Folks, I thought it was important today to create this video because the Internal Revenue Code, or the Taxing Authority, is now interpreting the 2019 Secure Act, governing and overseeing our retirement accounts, specifically qualified retirement accounts such as IRAs, individual retirement accounts, as well as 401ks and other qualified retirement accounts under the Secure Act. The prior rule was interpreted that so long as the beneficiary inheriting your lifelong savings in your retirement account, either could be an IRA or a 401k or other type of qualified retirement account. And under the Secure Act, since Congress was looking to tax those retirement accounts sooner than later and not allow the beneficiary to get that stretch out over their lifetimes, allowing that money to grow tax deferred, the Secure Act now required that the beneficiary inheriting that retirement account had to take the money out over a 10-year period, or at least no later than the 10th year, the year after the owner of that retirement account passed away. And that was the recent interpretation of that Secure Act rule. So you could defer over the first 1 through 9 years and then allow the money to grow tax deferred previously. And then year 10, take the whole enchilada out, take the whole amount of the retirement account out and pay taxes on it. And the key was to strategize with your tax professional, your CPA, maybe your estate attorney, or a collaboration of all of them, to take the retirement money out in a year where it was most advantageous to you, where your income maybe was the lowest, where your tax rate would also be the lowest. So that's just a history of the recent interpretation of the 2019 Secure Act, how the rules were interpreted by the retirement and tax professionals. So let's put that aside for now. The reason, the impetus I'm creating this video here is because you need to know about recent interpretation of the 2019 Secure Act. This is what the Taxing Authority is now interpreting the Secure Act as. They're saying you can no longer stretch out over a 10-year period and take out all the money in year 10. Most recently, the Taxing Authority is interpreting the Secure Act that a beneficiary of an inherited IRA or an inherited qualified retirement account must take out the required minimum distributions annually, each and every year, the year after the account owner passed away. So for practical standpoints, Bill and Mary, they named their children and grandchildren as the beneficiaries of their IRA. Bill passes away, he leaves everything to his wife, Mary. Mary lasts a couple of more years, and Mary goes up to her cloud to meet her beloved Bill. Mary has in her IRA beneficiary designation that her 3 children, Mo, Larry, and Curly, are the beneficiaries. Previously, Mo, Larry, and Curly could leave the money in the inherited IRA and take it all out in year 10 and pay taxes in year 10. But under recent interpretation, that's no longer the case. Now Mo, Larry, and Curly, under recent interpretation of the Secure Act, have to take out their pro rata share 1/10 over the 10 years. So the year after their mom, Mary, passed away, Mo, Larry, and Curly, the beneficiaries, have to take out the annual required minimum distribution in year 1 through year 9, and then take out the remaining balance no later than year 10 to avoid a penalty. So folks, there you have it. I strongly encourage you, just like my t-shirt says, no one's coming. It's up to us, okay? Just like I say in my book, we have to become informed consumers. We have to have that strong sword and shield to slay the metaphorical four-headed beast. So I strongly advise you, speak to your estate elder law attorney, your CPA tax professional, and or your financial advisor, or preferably all of them collaboratively, and get their tax advice on what may make sense mostly for you and your loved ones. Folks, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Follow us on YouTube, share the information, go to our website, elderlawcare.com, because we have a whole host of other educational programs on there under the Elder Law Academy tab. Folks, hope to see you next time at elderlawcare.com.